Hello Aquarius, this is your channel messages for my Aquarius placements. Why it looks so dark? I don't know why it looks so dark. This is your channel messages, Aquarius. Let's just go ahead and go into your Aphrodite spread. I saw it name Temple of Aphrodite. Don't know what kind of love magic you're using, Aquarius. Never the fucking less. We are going to go in and go into your right eye. Into your right eye. Let's go. All right, what do you think, Aquarius? I'm getting, hi Aquarius, the Fool card. I'm getting you thinking about starting over or taking a new leap, a new path. You're just feeling new, right, Aquarius? What do they think? They think the Strength card. I'm getting someone doesn't want you to leave, or I'm getting someone doesn't want you to change. You're changing, Aquarius. You're getting more detached. You're getting more happier about things that you can control. I'm getting somebody misses the old you. Maybe somebody misses the controlling you. What do you feel? The Nine of Pentacles, that's why you want a new leap. I'm getting you get a second chance for start over, and you're walking right into this Nine of Pentacles. So I'm getting you want this Virgo woman, Taurus, Capricorn woman, who the other person turned them back though. So is it that you're waiting on a Leo to abandon you? I'm getting you treat the Leo very badly. You're waiting on the Leo to abandon you so you can have a reason to go pursue the Emperor, to pursue the Nine of Pentacles. Jesus, you're who for Nine of Pentacles this? Damn, what the fuck, Leo? What the fuck, right? So that's, it could be that. You turn your back on the Leo so you can pursue this Earth sign. Or if that's not it, I'm getting you want a second chance. Pretty simple. What is your sexual feelings towards this person? I feel like you were once intimate with them. Five of Cups, I'm getting it wasn't good. Or I'm getting you were in a relationship with them. It's failed because of a third party situation. Maybe a Leo interfered with you and Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn's relationship. I'm getting over this person's side. They took a leap of faith with you and they were disappointed. Maybe you were already dating somebody, or I'm getting the Leo mash it up. What's their sexual feelings? The Page of Cups. Yeah, I'm getting somebody mash it up because them still have feelings for you. Someone wants you to think that they turn their back on you. Them I watch you every day. Them turn them back on you so if don't make you know so them have a mirror I watch you. Them turn them back on you and have a mirror like this I watch you from a rear view mirror. I'm getting this person made a Leo come between you and them, but them feel fuck up for admit it. No, they want a second chance with you. For fucking what? Ask the Leo if you should get a second chance with me. Since you listen to them all the fucking career. All the fucking... Since you listen to them, something about a career. Is your career online? Let's see what is your outcome. The Page of Swords. Yeah, online. Everything is being watched online. So I don't know. I feel like you're ignoring somebody and you're hurting yourself more than you're hurting the person. Because you're dying for somebody to reach out, you're dying for somebody to contact you, you're dying for somebody to get a second chance, but you act like you don't even care about them. Okay, well continue. I'm sure your deathbed confessions will be great to hear. Because you abandoning somebody who you want so fucking bad. For fucking what? Because you stupid and your mama didn't teach you how to deal with your emotions properly. So you take a bad man meant for love. You think turning your back on somebody means love. How long your mother stay with that man who abuse her and make you watch? Because if she wants to stay with her abuser and fuck up her life and her pussy that's on her, there's no reason why she should make her son watch her go through that and think it's okay. We have fake business. We have underrated. We have cursed. We have the Tower card and we have Spirit attached. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, Aquarius.